Welcome to Attack It Cleaning today. Today we're talking about how to clean a toilet. Basically, what I do is I use, in my cleaning business, I use Clorox foamer. Hold on and I'll show you what it looks like. But I use Clorox foamer and I just spray. See, I get black rings around the toilet. I just spray it for a little bit, it foams it up, and get underneath the edge of the toilet and let it foam up a little bit, and just let it sit there for a few minutes. See how it's foamed up? So I'm going to let that sit there for a few minutes and we're going to go spray my other toilet. So here's the other toilet, and this has worse black stuff. I have a 60-year-old, or a house from the 60s. These are new toilets, but they still get black residue in them. I'm going to get under there and we're going to let it foam up while we clean the other toilet. And we're going to use a toilet brush, since that's easier for me right now, because I usually when I'm cleaning somebody else's house, I use a Clorox toilet wand, which is easy, and you can throw away the disc when you're done. It comes with a handle, and then you throw away the disc when you're done. I always wear gloves when I'm doing people's houses, so especially doing toilets. So we're going to go back and do the other one. Right now I have a Lysol thing in there, so I'm just going to move it out of the way a minute and get under it. And just go under the crevices, because black stuff hides under them, in them holes up under the edges of the toilet. And I'm going to get around here. Now, the foam or Clorox, you might not want to put it on colored toilets. It might discolor it. That's just a warning, because, you know, it stains the clothes, so it might stain the toilets. That's just a warning. And cream, and that includes cream colored toilets. Might want to watch out. So we clean that one. I'm going to go ahead and flush it down. And there you go. Clean white toilet. So we're going to go do the other one, since it's been sitting for a little bit. So here's the other toilet. See the black stuff coming off. I'm going to get underneath the edges and around the rim. This toilet's always been hard to get clean, but it got clean today, so it's white. And what I do for my house, I take a Clorox wipe or a Lysol wipe, but when I'm cleaning for other people, I use Mr. Clean spray or Grease Lightning to clean the toilets on the outside. Just a few tips for doing the bathroom or the toilet in the. So y'all go attack the day, or attack your house in your neighborhood, and hit that like button, and please subscribe and comment down below and tell me what you do to clean your toilets. Some people might use CLR to clean their toilets. It might be that bad. So CLR just came out with newer products in a spray bottle, and with mildew. So some people might use that stuff. So y'all go attack the day, and comment down below. Thank you.